Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Nihar Sinam and ngasi sigi video sida plastic surgeons na tawba operation makana mi matang da discussion tawse haiba operation je AV fistula creation kawi. AV haibadi arteriovenous haiba artery and vein. Fistula haibadi yam simple terms sa hadi connection makana mani. Skin ga intestine marata connection lezo aduzu fistula kawi. Windpipe ka food pipe ki marata connection lezo aduzu fistula kawi. So similarly, artery ga vein gi marata connection ama layerdi aduzu fistula kawi. Pokpadagi laser puyawi mafam da aduzu fistula kawni. Shokpadagi somehow oishalakpa matamda samnagragazu aduzu fistula kawi. Akoina thaoina artery ga vein gi marata connection ama semazu operation taraga aduzu AV fistula kawi. So AV fistula tawise kaigino chronic kidney disease, end-stage renal disease or some higher kidney failure to patients ki damakta taka oisise. So when the patients for survival hemodialysis se darkar lai. Dialysis to was makhan lay peritoneal dialysis kind of pukta ki tawba or hemodialysis se khoi ki side central venous catheter na sidagi naktagi nak haitare sagi area dagi hapaga tawba or hemodialysis tawbadi horaga AV fistula ka same report maybe sometimes thigh upper part or sagi khutwai da dum tawraga blood se lokthok toini and kidney na tawgadaba mathau do machine amana tawbani haiba tare blood to clean tawdini excess fluid toxins waste products mayam do normally kidney na filter tawraga urine da thok lakadaba do and blood se clean oina maintain tawgadaba do ngamdrabni na machine do na adugi cleansing process to tawraga seeing about blood tawmu body do mu hapchanduni. So sigi damakta fast blood flow amadakali dialysis se efficiently phajana tawnaba quickly short period ta and dialysis tawbagi session amaduda phajana tahognaba high blood flow se dakali and repeated sessions dakali bnina every few days dakali mi mayam lei aduna phajana magi access point e do lokthokpa thajinba adugi tawnaba magi mafam ama semhoragadi for many years adugi fistula same giba area se phajana care tawgadi many years chatli so adubu tahoragadi multiple times adugi mafam do puncture tawba yare and puncture tawbada phunba khotpa kasu yam tawraroi and fast flow su phangani. So sigi je kamain tawrina akhoi khutta sida is the vein nama cheli veins normally PE mi kada chawna ubi yawi but dum PE haiba tare. So swai waida adugi vein do artery amga samjanaragadi operation tawraga adugi vein do da high strong blood flow ama phangani and adugi vein do mature orakani and aduzu strong orakani and ease phajana chelani. So AV fistula je akoina swai da tawrje radiocephalic AV fistula kawi ki no da radial artery ga cephalic vein ga samnabagi swai da tawraga na akoina brachiocephalic kawi brachial artery ga cephalic vein jiga samna duni and swai wai da sinarni jiki fistula gi kano do result to and brachiobasilic hybrums le aduna quite least commonly tawni quite most commonly tawnaba first option is swai jine because aduna less problems le tungda and swai da tawbus na kidang problems ki chances kar hele so sina less preferred way. So operation to with the magta singli gi size ju kitang di chawba kitang di visible oiba u kitang at least kitang di chawba ma daka oi kaigino da adugi blood vessels da khoina hangdoga open tawraga cut tawraga samjana duini so yam pik maladi amuk flow do compromised oi and hamzan gi blood se clot toxin gi flow chatpa ngamde veins yam pik malagadi pot pam pham du da khar chawjaraga jo upper part to veins e khujin laga pi ega legadi amu flow do kasu chatpa ngamde and adum fail oigi technical reasons to fail oibusu yawi hadi surgical skills da kitan compromise togiba oiragadi natraga surgical technique to phajana tawraga ju ngasai gi haiba singdi do khujin bagi akoina semiba photliba mapa du da or magi lambi du da side the kuragadi side the blood changzaraga ju odum slow down tawraga phamjan gi buzuli or after surgery phajana care la hodabagi side the any pressure tabagi or soidana itum thinjalubagi or yam bent or thamobagi smaina after surgery gi care do phajana la hodabagi ju fail obi yawi. most of the times fazana care loragadi fazana tauragadi and patient selection fazana tauragadi and planning and timing fazana choose tauragadi adum successful oinai sigi surgery se sigi surgery se akupa surgery ne so sigi surgery tawai damak ta khoi micro instruments haina micro surgery tawai gi special apik pa akupa instruments lay yam fine tip oiba scissors zu macha khoi gi tum painaba forceps khoi gi needle holder zu macha photliba lang du zui yam akupa mitna ubada waba akupa lang ni so sigi surgery se most of the time khoina magnification use taruga tawi magnification use tabuze achoba machine khoigi microscope achoba lay surgical microscope aina adu seasonal tabusi yawi or khoigi specs the integrated oiba or head gear oin upaga mitki mamangda saina lakpa magnifying glasses seasonal tawi so that khoina uriba structures to 4 times or 5 times size the magnify tauraga uraga kupna sengna taunaba because artery vein ga haise moigizu apipa structure oizu moigizu multiple layers lay and layers to chumna phajana tagodamni mapan gi layer manung changhan biya de manung gi layer talhan biya de and so in taruga tear adu da tawiya de so in fine surgery tawri gai success rate heli and poor surgery phajana technique phajana season daba or ate taragadi obviously hanare so highly skilled operation amani sigi operation je tawu matamda saisida hida kapi local anesthesia and minor operation ama tawi be time ta operation je lurzu kupozu complex oirazu patient dugi haragadi ma yumdai la ani and kaigumba yumda leibo oiragadi hospital leina tawuzu miyamam yawi mafam sida hida kapani and 4 to 5 centimeter muki incision piraga adugi incision gi through the thabak se loin tawrani and then close tawrani and ngahak observe tawraga sigi operation je procedure se loire habitare sigi procedure se most of the time 45 minutes to 1 hour mukta dum loishanli sometimes any problem toktana major problem natrachu any complexity toktana repeatedly semba khotpa daka legadi 2 hours 3 hours sangbuzu dum yawi but most of the time 45 minutes to 60 minutes loishan galni Side same baze kai guma fail oiraba or yaroidaba magi vein ki size ke kaduna pathak wai gi kitang larger areas ida amu attempt to yawi or directly side yaroidaba already mathak wai dum directly same yawi Thanks a lot for watching this video. See matang de anything hen na kup na hangning ba legadi comments sa thambiro and ay dum yari gay queries miyam na kum na batawzarake. Next video dum tingna see you. Bye.